Let us start with the next class of data handling. In the last video, we have learned how to read the bar graph and how to answer the following question based on the bar graph. Today we will learn how to construct or draw the bar graph, for which I have already taken one example from the NCERT. Here it is given the subjects are given, okay, English, Hindi, Math, Science and Social Science, and the performance of the students in first term and the second term marks are given on the blackboard. Now we have to represent the given data in double bar graph form. Why double bar graph? Because there are two things: first data, second data. If we want to represent two data, we will be using double bar graph. It can be triple bar graph also. So bar graph can be single, double, triple and more depending upon the type of data we are having. So first thing that we will going to do, we will choose the scale. Just observe the all observation. Like it is 67, 70, 72, 65, 88, 95, 81, 85, 73, 75, right? We can take either 0, 5, 10, 15, the multiples of 5. But don't you think in that case our graph will become very big? Yeah. So what we can do, we can take the multiples of 10. Okay, let's take. Basically, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Do remember, on y-axis we always consider the data. So what we'll be writing? The marks of student. Like this. We will write the marks of student. Clear? Now starting from 0, but here we can represent on x-axis subjects. We can represent subjects. Clear? How we identify? Data always on y-axis, and whatever the conditions are given, like subject is given, maybe number of votes is given, anything that will be represented on x-axis. Now we have to choose the scale. Let me take 10, 20, 30, multiples of 10 I'm considering, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Clear with this? So first of all, write the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. It's very important to write. This is the scale I have used. Clear? Now let us represent the English marks for first and second term. Let us represent for the first term. Let us represent. Now what is the marks in first term in English? It is 67. Just see where is 60. 67 will come between 60 and 70. If I talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. 67. And do remember guys, please put the gap between these two. You can't immediately start from here. No. In bar graph we have to put the proper spacing. Okay, I told you yesterday also. So 67. It should be straight. Clear? 67. It's for the English and that to the first term. I'll tell you how to represent when two data are there, how to distinguish between them. We'll do it. Now immediately we'll be considering the second term marks, that is 70. 70, you will immediately start from here only. There will be no gap between double bar graph. Two bar graphs will be attached. Clear with this? So 67 and 70. Clear? English marks. Next we are having Hindi. Hindi 72 and 65. First we'll be writing first term. 72 means 1, 2. So normally we'll be considering like this. Please put the proper gap. The spacing should be same. Okay. We'll consider the 72. Okay. Maybe they are not looking like bar graphs, but you understand for it in meaning. Okay. 72. This is for first start. And then 65. 65 will come here only. So always 65. Marks for Hindi. You will draw with the scale properly. You'll get the proper bar graph. Next, we are having for maths 88. 88 will come between somewhere here, right? So we'll consider like this. Okay, it becomes a bit like this. Clearly, you can draw with the scale. Please spare me on that. 95, second term, 95 will come here. So almost 95. That is maths. Clear? Next, science. Science 81 and 85. 81 almost here. So I'll put the gap. I'll put the gap here. 81. If I talk about 81 and 85. 85 again it will come in between somewhere here. Wait. I think something is wrong. This we have to consider 81 and here we will be considering 85. Please mind that once you will draw the graph properly, you get the answer for this. Very proper answer. Very proper answer will be getting on the graph. This is for science. Clear? So maths was 88 and 95, 81 and 85. Clear? Next, we are having social science 73 and 75. 73 almost here, if I consider almost here, that is 73 and 75 almost above this. The spacing is becoming a bit difficult without to work with the scale, but to save the time and everything, I am doing this. 73 and 75, that is your social science. Are we clear about the social science? So social science, every marks is given to you. Clear? Now let me rub this. There you will be getting, because diagrams are properly maintained, so you can do it, easy for you. Now, how to distinguish? What you can do, you can put the design. You can write like first term and the blank one for the second term. Like this way you can represent. So what we will do, we'll just first term we'll do this way. To distinguish, this is for the first term, how to represent. This is for the first term, how to represent first term, like this way. First term. So now you can see we have distinguished first and second term very nicely. Okay. Now I will suggest you, please do write the values above also. I will, as a teacher, as a math teacher, I feel you must write the values also. Like you must write 73 here, 75 here, 81, 85. You must write. It gives a brilliant idea to you and to the teacher as well. Okay. So he was getting 65 here, like this. So our graph is ready. Our double bar graph is ready. Clear with this? Now let's have some question. Let me take one question, that in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? Where he improved his performance the most? How to see? First 67, then 70. What is the difference? Plus 3. Yeah. 70 to 75. His marks are getting lower. Maths 88 to 95 plus 7. 81 to 85 plus 4. 70 to 75 plus 2. So which subject? Maths is the subject in which he has performed the most. Yeah, and he improved the most. Next, in which subject is the performance or the improvement least? Improvement least. Here there is no scope of improvement. Don't consider Hindi. You can't say Hindi. He is not improving. Rather, he is degrading. He is getting down in Hindi. So, plus 3, plus 7, plus 4, plus 2. So, he improved less in social science. Clear? Why? Because here it is plus 3. Here, if I talk about it is minus 7 here, plus 7 here, plus 4 here, plus 2. So improved list in social science. Has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, minus indicates the performance has gone down in Hindi. By this, our bar graph topic is also over. I hope you will able to construct or draw the bar graph very nicely. Use the bar graph properly, use the scale properly and everything. Till then, take care. Bye bye.